12 foods that clean your arteries fast and prevent heart disease. Cardiovascular disease is one of the leading causes of death worldwide. But did you know that one of the simplest ways to improve your heart health is through your diet? In today's video, you'll discover 12 incredible foods that naturally clean your arteries, boost blood flow, and reduce the risk of heart disease. These foods don't just improve your cardiovascular health, they contribute to your overall well-being. Stick around as we unveil these heart-healthy options and show you how to easily incorporate them into your meals. Your arteries play a crucial role in carrying oxygen-rich blood from your heart to the rest of your body. Over time, unhealthy habits, such as a poor diet, smoking, or lack of exercise, can cause plaque to build up in your arteries. This plaque, made up of cholesterol, fat, and other substances, narrows your arteries, limiting blood flow. This condition is known as atherosclerosis and is one of the main causes of heart attacks and strokes. Fortunately, you can actively improve your artery health by making smarter food choices. The right nutrients, like healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants, can reduce inflammation, lower cholesterol, and prevent plaque buildup. Let's dive into 12 foods that can help keep your arteries clear and your heart happy. First on the list is the creamy, nutrient-packed avocado. Rich in monounsaturated fats, avocados help reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, while increasing good cholesterol, HDL. This balance is essential for preventing the buildup of fatty deposits in your arteries. Additionally, avocados are packed with potassium, a mineral essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Just a slice of avocado toast or a dollop in your salad can do wonders for your heart. Olive oil is a staple of the heart-healthy Mediterranean diet, and for good reason. It's loaded with antioxidants and monounsaturated fats that fight inflammation and improve artery elasticity. Studies have shown that people who consume olive oil regularly have a lower risk of heart disease and stroke. Replace unhealthy fats, such as butter or margarine, with olive oil in your cooking or drizzle it over salads for a delicious and healthful boost. Nuts and seeds might be small, but they're nutritional powerhouses. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are particularly rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and essential minerals like magnesium, which support overall heart health. Omega-3s reduce inflammation, prevent blood clots, and lower triglyceride levels. A handful of nuts or a sprinkle of seeds on your oatmeal or smoothie makes for an easy, heart-healthy snack. Vegetables like spinach, kale, and arugula are superstars when it comes to artery health. Packed with nitrates, these leafy greens help dilate blood vessels and improve blood flow. They're also rich in potassium and magnesium, which are crucial for maintaining healthy blood pressure. Toss them into a salad, sauté them with garlic, or blend them into a smoothie to reap their benefits. Bursting with color and flavor, berries such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are rich in antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins. These compounds protect your arteries by reducing oxidative stress, one of the primary factors in arterial damage. Berries also contain fiber, which can help lower cholesterol levels. Enjoy them fresh as a snack, mix them into yogurt, or add them to your morning cereal. Fatty fish, like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats lower triglycerides, reduce inflammation, and prevent blood clot formation, all of which promote clearer arteries. Consuming fatty fish twice a week is a great way to keep your heart in top shape. Consider grilling, baking, or steaming them for a flavorful, heart-healthy meal. Garlic is far more than just a flavor enhancer. It's a powerful ally for your heart. It contains a compound called allicin that helps lower blood pressure and prevents plaque buildup in arteries. Studies have shown that consuming garlic regularly can significantly reduce cholesterol levels and promote better cardiovascular health. Add fresh garlic to your stir-fries, soups, or marinades for a delicious and healthful boost. Yes, you heard that right. Moderation is key, but dark chocolate that contains at least 70% cocoa can be good for your heart. It's packed with flavonoids, antioxidants that improve blood flow and relax blood vessels. These properties reduce the risk of coronary heart disease. Treat yourself to a small square of dark chocolate as a snack or dessert and enjoy its heart protective benefits. Green tea has long been celebrated for its health benefits, and its effects on heart health are particularly impressive. It contains catechins, antioxidants that help reduce cholesterol absorption while protecting arteries from damage. Drinking 1 or 2 cups of green tea daily can give your heart a gentle yet powerful boost. Oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are not only refreshing but also excellent for your arteries. High in vitamin C and flavonoids, citrus fruits can lower inflammation, improve blood vessel function, and reduce artery stiffness. They're also a good source of fiber, which helps control cholesterol naturally. Enjoy citrus fruits as a snack, in salads, or as freshly squeezed juice. Whole grains like oatmeal, quinoa, and brown rice are rich in soluble fiber that helps lower LDL cholesterol by binding to it and removing it from your body. Including whole grains in your diet also stabilizes blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of inflammation and arterial damage. Swap refined grains for their whole grain versions, like whole grain bread, pasta, or rice, to keep your arteries healthy. Rounding out our list is turmeric, a golden spice with potent anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, reduces chronic inflammation that contributes to heart disease and protects arterial walls from damage. Adding turmeric to your soups, teas, or curries is a flavorful way to incorporate its protective powers into your diet. While each of these foods offers unique benefits, they're even more powerful when combined. A balanced diet that includes a variety of these foods helps ensure your body gets all the nutrients it needs to maintain optimal heart health. For instance, pairing healthy fats like avocado with fiber-rich leafy greens can maximize nutrient absorption. Similarly, combining antioxidant-rich berries with heart-healthy nuts can create a synergistic effect. Variety is the key. No single food can protect your heart on its own. Aim to integrate these foods into every meal throughout the day for sustained benefits. Incorporating these foods into your diet doesn't have to be complicated. Start by making small, simple changes. Add avocado slices to your sandwich, substitute olive oil for butter when cooking, or sprinkle chia seeds onto yogurt. Snack on a handful of nuts or enjoy a piece of dark chocolate after dinner. For breakfast, whip up a heart-healthy oatmeal bowl topped with berries, nuts, and a drizzle of honey. For lunch, prepare a vibrant salad with spinach, kale, citrus slices, and a garlic olive oil dressing. Dinner could be as easy as grilled salmon paired with quinoa and sautéed greens. By making minor adjustments to your meals, you'll transform your diet and prioritize your heart health without feeling overwhelmed. It's natural to have questions when changing your diet. For instance, portion control is crucial, especially for calorie-dense foods like nuts, olive oil, and dark chocolate. Enjoy them in moderation to avoid overeating. If you have dietary restrictions or allergies, there are always substitutes available. For example, people with fish allergies can rely on plant-based omega-3 sources like chia seeds and walnuts. Adjust your diet to suit your needs while keeping the focus on heart-healthy foods. While diet plays a crucial role in clearing your arteries and protecting against heart disease, it's not the only factor. A heart-healthy lifestyle also includes regular physical activity, stress management, adequate sleep, and avoiding harmful habits like smoking. These lifestyle changes work in harmony with a healthy diet to enhance your overall well-being. Remember, small, consistent changes add up over time. You don't need to overhaul your diet overnight. Start with 1 or 2 swaps and gradually build healthier habits. Taking care of your heart isn't complicated. By incorporating these 12 artery-cleansing foods into your meals, you're giving your body the tools it needs to stay healthy and strong. From creamy avocados to zesty citrus fruits, these simple, delicious options make protecting your heart both enjoyable and accessible. Now it's your turn to take action. Start with just one of these foods today, and over time, build a diet that supports long-term heart health. Your heart will thank you for it. Stay tuned for more health tips, and don't forget to share this video with anyone who could benefit from a healthier lifestyle.